Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home featuring a bright open floor plan designed for comfortable living and easy entertaining. The spacious living and dining areas flow seamlessly into the kitchen, creating the perfect central gathering space. The home offers a separate laundry room for added convenience and a 2-car garage with plenty of room for parking and extra storage. The split bedroom layout provides privacy, with a generously sized primary suite and well-proportioned secondary bedrooms. Located in a well-maintained residential community, this home offers a peaceful setting while still being close to shopping, dining, schools, and major roadways. Tenant must pay a $75 broker fee. Available for immediate occupancy. Call today.